wanted me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Ishow Hair. Shout out to you, Ishow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their, let me go to it. It is their Wear and Go PPB Bleach Knots Glueless Wig Short Straight Bob 5x5 lace closure pre-cut wig. So as you guys saw, this unit did come pre-cut. I did cut a little bit of the lace off because to me, I just wanted it to be like more seamless, but it does come pre-cut. So, and it comes basically pre-bleached. I didn't bleach this unit whatsoever. Like, honey, what you're seeing is what you got, okay? So I didn't do any extra stuff other than cutting a few layers and adding some bronzer. It's 180% density and I have it in 16 inches. Now you guys know, if you watch me, typically with me and bobs in general, I have a very short neck, like my neck, like that. I have a very short neck, so I like for my bobs to be about 10 inches because to me, I like that look better than the long look. With 16 inches with somebody with my short neck, it looks more like an everyday wig instead of a bob in my opinion. But honey, they sent your girl 16, so 16 is what she is rocking. As far as the description, it says the brand is Ishow Hair. It's 100% human hair from one donor. The color is a natural black. It is straight. It's 180% density. It's pre-plucked. And pre-cut lace, 5x5 inches lace area. It says a 22.5 inch circumference, so it's the standard medium cap size. And they can customize to a 21.5 for small heads and 23.5 for larger heads. So you have to let the seller know and they can do that extra customization. Now honey, they don't say how much that gonna cost you or if it costs anything. So I guess you would just have to ask them. In my opinion, this wig is big head friendly because it's a closure and I feel like you can make it work. Plus it has that elastic band, so I made it pretty tight. So in my opinion, with units like this, I feel like they work across the board. But if you do have a really, really small head, I have a little cousin that has a very small head, like a little pea head. Okay, I also have a friend that has like a really small head and you know, she definitely would need, both of them would need the 21.5. But if you just have like a smaller head, I feel like you can make it work. Not super small, but a smaller head. But I only have the head that's on my shoulders and I am an average cap size. So do with that what you want to do with that, girl. Now as far as shedding and tangling, oh girl, it's a straight wig, okay? And it's a straight wig bob. I didn't expect any other things and I didn't get anything other things straight out of the packaging. Now this is like not to say that oh girl won't do any other things at some point, just that straight out of the packaging, oh girl's doing nothing. Things, honey. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Now I do want to go ahead and mention that right now, I don't have any adhesive on this wig. I will be putting some on there, but for the purpose of this video, I want you guys to see it without any adhesive. So like literally, oh girl's just propped on my head right now. Kid you not. Kid you not, oh girl's just propped on my head. So if you want to wear this wig glueless, you can definitely rock her glueless with no issues. Cause I always struggle with glueless wigs. So if I can wear a wig glueless, you can definitely wear a wig glueless. You feel me? You picking up what I'm putting down, sis. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, so I kind of struggled with what my con was gonna be. First of all, I'm starting with the cons because I like to end on a high note. You guys know I love to say that. But I struggled with the con because I really felt like this unit was super easy. Now, other than the length, I don't love a long bob, but I'm not mad at this long bob. Okay, I'm gonna feel like it's more of my everyday sort of mom hair. But I did not like, you know, these little things on the end. I have seen lately that some wigs come without these, and I prefer not to have them, especially when you're wearing a unit glueless. Now, when you're adding adhesive, they're not as much of a bother, but when you don't have on any adhesive, I just kind of don't like those little tabs on the end. So that's gonna be my con, girl. I had to come up with something. I had to give you guys something. Child, not this shirt trying to expose you, girl. Okay, don't do me like that, sis. All right, so my pros are that the unit is pre-tweezed. I don't think I mentioned, like, showed you guys, but look at old girl. Okay, she woke up like this. So it's pre-tweezed, it's basically pre-bleached. Now it could still have been bleached a little more, but it wasn't. I was like, hey, you know what? Let me just show them that this is a real throw on and go, and all I did was add bronzer. So yeah, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-tweezed, it's pre-cut, it's all the pre's. Super beginner friendly wig. The length is great, everyday sort of hair. I love that. And yeah, I just feel like it's the perfect beginner friendly wig. So those are the pros. Okay, so I do want to go ahead and say, yes, I would recommend this wig. I feel like it is the perfect everyday sort of hair. It could be your work hair. It could be your run to the store hair. It can be your, you have a conference with your kid hair. I just feel like it's the perfect everyday hair. Plus, it's extremely beginner friendly. So obviously, I would recommend this wig. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Child, next time I wear this shirt, I'm gonna put on some clothing tape, okay? So this part can stick. Anyways, y'all, so let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Let me know what your bob length preference is, because like I said, I prefer 10 inches, but you know, everybody's different. I would love to know yours. And once again, shout out to you, Ishow Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. Alright, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HeltoMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.